using, what are the things you designed the website till now? By using?
Pages,
Post pages,
post pages,
plugin.
categories.
First thing is a theme, right? So by using this theme, so I can customize and I can change the, if it is showing some options to change font color and then font size, header image, background, whatever it might be. So I'm designing it with the help of themes. Okay, so the next thing is that you
Plugins.
are using some plugins, right? So plugins is to add some extra features to your website so that it looks very nice. So not only the contact form, not only the live chat and all, there are many things you can do with the help of plugins. Okay, so complete your website can be done with the help of plugins only, if you want really. Now let's say theme is kind of a free themes you are using right now, right? So at the time, if you want to have extra features, so you will be depending on plugins. So you no need to go for any kinds of premium themes for extra options. So now let's say with the help of themes, now let's say I wanted this button, let's say that this clickable button in the right side. Can you make that thing with the help of theme? Can you exactly make how exactly you want to create it? Can you do that with the themes? No, right? We cannot do. Why? Because as we can see all the predefined options over there. So only that options we can use, and we don't have a right of changing those things to wherever we want. So no. So that is what happens with the theme. So at the time you can use this plugin like a Elementor plugin. So Elementor is a page builder. It is a page builder where we can build each and every page as per your wish. Now let's say I want to build my home page, and I want to show it as a very different way from others pages. So if you want to create each and every page individually, then Elementor is the best option you can use. Now let me show you how exactly we can work on this Elementor. So can I work on your website, Mansa?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Okay, I'll do it. Tell me what's the name of plugin? Plugin name was Mentor, no? Sleeping. This is the Elementor page builder. This is the one you have to install. Let me try to install it. Okay, so now I have create installed Elementor. So it is asking you to create your first page. So from here itself, you can start creating a new page and start working on that, or else whatever the pages you have already, you can start building that pages itself. So let us start creating with a new page. Okay. See here, this is how the interface of Elementor looks like. the left side, whatever the options you can see, like these we called it as a widgets. So you can add these widgets to your template and you can design everything with the help of these widgets only. And here if you can see, there is some options like you can change the name of your page also. Let's say that this is my what is this new page, what does it mean? It is a,
Title?
it's a name of your page. Simply the same way like home, about us, careers, and modules. The same way I'll be having a home new page, right? So the next thing is that like how you want to show this. Either you want to put it in a draft, or else you want to put it in under review, or else you want to put it in a private, or else you want to publish it. Now let us say you are constructing this page, so at the time you don't want to show these things to the user who visits your website. So at the time you can just go with the private, so only admin can access this page, admin can view this page, others no. So at the time while constructing you can do these options also, use these options also. Then featured image. So what is this featured image? Mm-hmm. Image for blog, featured image for a page, we will be having this option. So that means this image is for overall blog. Now let me show you. So can you say this
Yes.
image, this is called a featured image of this blog, right? So under this blog you can use a number of images, but this image will be my featured image, directly it will show on top. So in such a way, if you want to have any featured image for your blog, you can just use it. If you want to hide the title, you can hide it. And the page layout, so here comes the page layout. Let's see this Elementor full width. What happened now, tell me?
Width has been increased, I believe.
The
Uh-huh.
sidebar has gone.
So sidebar got disappeared now. Why? Because it is a full width, right? Yes or no? So in such a way, so you can just select the width also. Now as of now, as it is a kind of static website, so I'll be going with the full width. That looks good, better for me. So in such a way, go to each and everything's like you can choose the history also. What are the things you have edited till now? So it will show everything. And responsive mode also, like as of now, I'm seeing this mode in a desktop mode. This is my desktop mode. So if you want to see, this is how it appears in the tablet. So this is how it appears on mobile phone. So you can just preview the thing in a devices, and if it is looking good, then you can go ahead. Got it? So it's a fine. These are the few basic things you need to know. So right, let me change to a desktop mode. It's better. Right. So let us come into this inner section. So there are two options again, the plus icon and then template section. So if you click this tab plus icon, so it will ask you the layout. So what is the structure of your layout? So either one column, two column, three columns, four columns. So how many columns you want? So choose how many columns you want. So as of now, let us go with a one column. Okay. So now I just choose this one column. If you click this plus icon, so it will show you the widgets. So you can drag and drop within this section. Okay. Now let us see. Let me add some text. Okay. So here comes the text. Left side, you can see the particular options of that item. You can edit it. Okay, so then link paste your URL. So what does it mean? If you wants to make this text as a clickable text, so at that time you can mention any URL, so that when someone clicks this text, they will be redirected to the other website or else any web page that you gave a link simply. So if you want, you can just choose it. Then size of this text. So small, medium, large, extra large, and then double XL. See now, so what exactly and how exactly you want, you can just show it. So I just go with the extra large, that's fine. Then you can choose the HTML tag also, the headings H2, H1, H3, you can just choose. Then alignment, so where you want to show, left side, center, right, justify. So right, this is the center, so better I go with the center, so it is fine for me. Then next, so this is what the make changes you can make with the content. So if you want to have some changes, like style changes with this content, you can click on this. Can you see on top there are three options: content, style, and advanced. So if you click these three options, you can create a this item very beautiful. So text color, so now as of now the text color is a sky blue color. If you want, you can just change it to different colors as per your wish. Which one looks better? So black is fine, I think, right? So let's go with the black. And then typography, so you can change the font, I mean you can change the family of this text also. As of now it's a default. If you click this drop down, it will show you Arial, so Tahoma, depends on your taste simply. So better I go with this. So the next, here comes the size and all. See the size, it's up to you again. So I'll go with this digital marketing. Then what else? The weight. So if you want, you can just change the weight also. Oh, default 900 and 400. So the weight of the text as well. As of now, let me go with the normal. Default is fine. So transform, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize. So I'll go with the capitalize. Okay. So then style, normal, italic, or oblique. Italic, oblique. Okay. Then decoration. So if you wants to have some decoration, like underline, overline, so anything, underline, line through. So it's up to you. None. Default. So line height. So if you want, you can just choose a line height also. So fine, this is the line height. Okay, letter spacing, space between the letters. This is fine, I think. Yeah, okay. So fine, these are the things I can make changes with the item, like changing the font color, changing the font size, changing the family of the font. So you can change everything. If you go with the advanced, you can still have some changes with this. So you can change the margins, you can change the paddings and all. You can change the motion effects also. So like fade in, fading down, fade in left. So animations, fading up. So zooming down. Okay. So again, depends on your requirement. You can just create it. So better I go with this fading right. Yes. So animation duration, how much time it has to take to appear this text. Okay, so you can just delay also. So if you wants to delay for some time, you can just delay it. Here comes the background again. So if you want to change the background, you can change the background. Second. So you can change the background color here, right? So now let me just go with the color. So if you want, you can have a color as well. If you want, you can have a image also for background. So as of now, let me go with the background, blue, white, green, sky blue. Okay, sky blue. I'll go with the sky blue. Then here comes, if you want, you can use some gradient colors also. So as of now, this color will be like a sky blue and pink. If you want, you can change the color also. Okay, it's look good. So acha, this is how the thing works. Okay. Okay. So next thing is that type linear and radial. Position centered, center left. So color, so we can't see any changes with the color, fine. Then here comes the border. If you wants to have a border, you can just have, so border type, it's actually none. Then solid, double. Can you notice? Dotted,
Yes, yes.
dashed, groove. So it's up to you. If you wants to have a some border, you can have it. So let us see this dotted one. Okay. So again, so if you wants to change the width, and also you can just change it, the color of a border color also, black, green, blue, sky blue. So let me go with the black. That's fine. Okay, so here comes box shadow. So like if you wants to make some changes with the horizontal and vertical kinds of thing, you can go it. So many options you'll find out with these style, advanced and content. So spend some time, you'll understand each and everything. So now this is the thing I have just decorated with my text. Okay, fine, done. So right, so my text will be like, if I wants to have anything extra again, so you can have it. Let's say now this time I will have a two columns. Okay, so two columns have come. So let's say now I want to have a something in this.
Chitra,
Hmm,
now how is the website looking like if you want to see exactly?
you can update and then you can preview. You can open that website again.
No, no, I mean to say generally for pages and all you update, save, publish, and then show the web page. No, something like that. Can you show us the web page, right?
So you can update it here itself,
Yeah.
and you
Now,
can uh,
yeah.
so now you can search for your website URL and then you can go ahead and see what is there in that.
No, I didn't understand how this is going to take place in the front page or where it is
It's
going to
not
come.
front page. It's not about front page. Now what I created, I just created a page. So did I mention that page as a front page again?
No, that's what I'm asking. Like, if
Actually, I don't remember.
no, even I don't remember. I just saw.
Okay, see, so again I can hide on desktop. So if this image will be like, if you don't want to show this image on desktop or tablets and mobile phones, so it's up to you again. So if you want to have something to store in only on particular things like desktop and all, you can choose that options. Okay, so in such a way I have designed the image as well. So let me try to have a this time button. Let me go with the button. Okay, so button means
A clickable option.
clickable option, right? So now here again the type of a button. So here it was showing me something like a default info, success, warning. What happening here? Danger, red color.
Colors are
So
changing.
change the colors of that button is changing. Then again simply you can change the color of this button later anyhow. So click here. So now there's a text. You can just change the text. wire or else you can change the text and all. Okay, and then here comes the link. So again, as it is a button, right? So link is a mandatory again. So where you want to redirect, let me redirect to the blocks, copy and paste.
Chitra,
And
for
then
example,
hmm,
say
what is that?
if I have to put a button here as book your appointment,
Hmm.
and when I click this appointment button,
Hmm.
then it has to go to the appointment page in the same website. Is it possible, or we have to give the other website only?
Why you want to give other website only? So link, giving a link is, it's up to you, right? You can give a link back to any other things in your website as well. Now let us say when someone clicks, so now when someone clicks any one of my, here can you see the texts? Yeah,
Yeah.
so they will be redirected to within my website only, so not other things. Now here also when I go with the footer section, they will be redirected to within my page. So that is what one thing is called internal link and external link. You can redirect to any one of the page as per you wish. Either it can be external or else either it can be internal. Internal means within your website. External means an external website. Now if you
Okay.
have any appointment page or else any contact us page, you can
Yeah.
give that link. No?
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Hmm. Okay. Book an appointment. Huh?
Yeah. Anything.
So next, alignment, center, right, justified. Which one should I choose? Tell me. Which one looks good?
This one only.
Hmm?
Anything. Anything. And one more thing,
So now
Chitra.
you can't decide. Huh? Tell me.
This page, for example, if we make it, full of motion graphics, like, number
Oh.
of photographs with all transitions and all
Hmm.
those, and
Hmm.
then in the last you'll say that, like, something like your book an appointment, and
Hmm.
later it goes to your appointment page. Is that possible with this kind of plugin, or what is this Elementor?
Yeah, yeah. So now here, what is the link I'm giving? I'm giving a link to an external website. So from bollywood.thenaturehealth.in to a dizzycodes.in.
ఐ
Okay.
మీన్ టు సే కొన్ని వెబ్సైట్స్ లో మీరు ఓపెన్ చేయగానే వెబ్సైట్ ఓపెన్ కాదు.
Mm.
ఒక పవర్ పాయింట్ షో లాంటిది, లేకపోతే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్స్ వచ్చి మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ లాంటిది వచ్చి, ఆ తర్వాత లాస్ట్ లో క్లిక్, అంటే వాడికి సైట్ లో ఎంటర్ అవడానికి ఒక బుక్ అపాయింట్మెంట్ లేకపోతే ఇట్లాంటి ఒక బటన్ ఇచ్చి, దెన్ వెన్ యూ
Mm.
క్లిక్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూల్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు దట్ పేజ్.
So then size of this button also medium, large. So I'll go with the large. Then icon, choose an icon. Let me choose this. Insert. So now here icon is placing. Okay, this is what the icon. Then you can choose the position of your icon also, before or after. So where you wants to show. Okay. Then icon spacing, like the space between icon and the text. So in such a way you can design it. So if you wants to design more and more, so click on the style. So typography, change this typography, size. Okay, so then weight, default, transform,
అండ్
utilize,
అండ్ చిత్ర, వన్ మోర్ థింగ్,
normal. Yes.
దిస్ header will remains, as per the theme only. Like without header we cannot do this.
This one, no, no, no. Only within the inner section we can design it. Okay, and not even footer also.
Acha, these two will remain same.
Will remain same. Yes.
So without these, we cannot run a PowerPoints. I'm just giving an example.
Sorry.
ఒక 5
Without
photographs of slide show లాంటిది ఇచ్చి తర్వాత then it will land in home page.
5 photographers. So here comes then size. You can just increase the size and all. Then have a change, make some changes with the weight, and you can, if you want decorate with this capitalize and uppercase, you can just change it, and line height, you can change it. So again, so in such a way, then next comes the advanced border, background. Okay, let me go with this. So in such a way, I have some kind of image, and I have some kind of button, and finally I have text. Now let's say you have a one more option like a templates here. If you don't want to do anything manually, so there are some templates available for free, same like a themes. You can just download it and you can use it. So let me click that templates. Hmm. These are the few templates available. So few are for free. So the thing which you can see as a pro, so those are like a premium version. If you want to use that, you have to purchase that. So this is the pages available, and the blogs means a specific item, right? The footer bars kinds of thing, or else if you want, you can just add accordion, these kind of things. Okay. So facts, frequently asked questions. Okay, many things are
Chitra, it is
available.
not necessary that
Mm-hmm.
our blog and all that should match with this templates, right?
No, not required, not required. Not at all required. And Google also don't care about these things.
But
It's up to you again.
but if
So,
someone visits our website,
uh,
they'll think that it's mismatch and
yes,
all.
yes. So actually, a person who visits your website doesn't care all these things. They will just care the information that you provide, whether it is genuine or not, or else you are providing good information or not. So even in your case also, see, so are you going to see the designs, and also if it is looking good, so yes, of course it have some good impression, but
Yeah.
we don't have a time to check the matchings and all, obviously, I hope. Right. So let us try to have some templates, and we'll see these blogs as well. So now pages. So which one should I install now? Hmm. So I'll go with this now, and then insert. So I'm just ready to connect now. Okay, so click on this insert. Still loading. So here comes this complete template have appended to your widgets that you have done manually. Yeah, this is how the template looks like. So now if you want, you can make some changes with this. Okay. If you want to delete any item, you can simply delete. So let me delete this one. So here Google Maps also have come. So let me delete this one. So click that cross one, then it gets deleted. I'll delete this thing. This thing. Okay, I want to have this portfolio, it's good. So yeah. Oh, 2 times it got it applied. Huh? 3 times, huh? How many times it got applied? Okay, so let me try to change. Now here you see here the video. If you wants to have a video, now here automatically they have a one video. Now if I wants to edit this element, so I can just edit it. Okay, can you see the source? So it is a YouTube video. If you have any other YouTube video, if you can just insert it here, then give a link. Okay, and then video option. So actually this video option was autoplay and it is on mute. Okay, so again, if you want, you can have a video as well. Then here comes some text. Join now, and then if you want, you can change the colors also. Let me change this text. So can you see the element options left side? There itself you can directly edit. Okay, so now if I wants to make this text as a bold, I can make it italic, I can make it. So if you want to have some underlines and all, you can just make it. So as a bullet points, you can make it. As a kind of 1, 2, 3, you can make it. So if you wants to make it like a clickable text and all, you can just make it. Okay, so you can create as per your wish as of now. Let me go with this bold, fine. So then what else I can do now? So if I wants to make some changes with this content, so what I have to do? Tell me. Can you see the top?
Style.
Content, style, and advanced. So if I click this particular element, it will show me all the options of this element. So you can again choose the alignment like center, right side, or justified. So text color again, black, green. So black, white. Okay. So then columns. So how many columns you want? Then columns gap. Then advanced, like a background color and motion effects. You can just choose everything. So let me go with the background ones. So the only thing you should do is to spend some time. That's it. Okay, fine. So now here comes again the start your free trial. What is this? What is
Clickable
this?
button.
HTML.
Clickable button. Clickable button. Okay. So now I can make some changes with this clickable button also. So start your free trial now. Book a demo. Okay. So link again, if you want, you can have a link also. Then alignment, right, left. Okay. size, and if you want to have some icon. Okay, so again, so make some changes with this. Typography, background color, border type. As of now, it is a solid. Okay, and then padding. So as of now, these are the predefined changes with this option. So if you want to change anything, you can just change it. Then advanced again, the background color, everything. So now fine, everything. Now, if I want to, now here, what is the background image for complete elements? It is a background. So what you can see the background?
A child is writing or playing.
Yes, yes. This is some kind of image, right? So if you want to see some changes, if you want to make the changes of this item, then click this edit section. So you can see, okay, then what is the height and vertical length and then horizontal length, what is that? And then style. So background. So as of now, what's the background now? It's a image. Can you see? This is the image. So if you want to have some color, you can have it. Green. So let me remove this image and try applying the colors. So delete this and then we'll try to apply the colors. Blue, white, black, green. Okay. So in such a way, if you want to have any slideshows also, you can apply slideshows, kind of sliders. Or else if you want to have some videos also, you can apply the videos, right? So now I tried designing this section. So here comes, it was showing me some text and all. Let me remove this. So our teaching tip. So if you have any kinds of students reviews and all, you can just apply it here. If I click this, so it is showing me some image. Okay, you can edit that name also. Here also you can edit the name. Okay, so here the speciality. If I want to make some changes with this text, what I have to do? So I want to change the background color. I want to change the font color of this. What I have to do?
Style,
Style and then advanced,
advanced.
right?
Yeah.
So you can change the size of this text also. When comes to this text, you can change. A strict teacher that has been teaching. Okay. So now here comes the social media links. Can you see? So what was the plugin you have installed, Mansa? Like a social share buttons, right? Now, if
Yeah.
you have these things, do you need any kind of plugins again?
No, no, no.
Not required, right? So here Facebook is there. Now, when I click this item, so it was showing me some Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So Facebook icon. So let me try to change this icon and see what happened now.
Icon changed.
Icon changed, right? So again, if you want to make some changes with these icons, you can do it. So give a link again, the color, so official color, so change green, black. Okay. Mm-hmm. It's up to you, change it, and then secondary colors, choose some secondary colors. So can you see now? In such a way, you can change the button background color, button colors as well. Here comes then Twitter. So this is a Twitter icon. Change the Twitter icon. And then if you want to change something extra with this icon, you can change it. Primary colors. Okay. Then size of that icons. This is the size of icons. Okay. I'll go with this. Padding. The space between icons. border type, solid, doubled, dotted, dashed. So can you see now? So in such a way, we can make some changes with the icons as well. Here comes spend some time with this. And then, so if you want to have a something background thing for this complete section, what you'll do for complete section? Edit section, no?
Settings background, yeah.
Yeah, here edit section. So now for each and every element you can have a background color or background image. So I'm asking you for this complete column. Okay, for this complete column, if you want to make some changes, click on this edit section. You can see the options of this layout, right? So you can go with the style, and also as of now color is a kind of white color. If you want to make some changes with the color, you can just change. Can you see now? I'll go with the blue. Fine. So next, here it was showing me something. Let me delete this section as well. Some maps and all was showing. Let us try to add some kinds of blocks now. So now we have added the templates, right? So let us add some blocks. Click here, templates, then blocks, separate individual item you can add. Okay, some kinds of frequently asked questions. Let us try to have this. Edit, insert. Okay, can you see now? Only this block has applied to your website. So now if you want to make some changes with this background color, you can just change. Let's go back. Color, white, blue, black, green, sky blue. Oh my god, I'll go with the black. Okay, so fine. Now if I click this edit symbol, so I can edit that particular element, then fax. Then link also, you can, if you want, you can make this text as a clickable text, and you can edit this thing, most frequently asked answers. So if you want, you can just show it. Let me remove this, I don't want. Then can I edit the files? So this is what toggle. If I click this, so if I click this, so answer will be visible. So if I click this, it gets disappear. So in such a way. Okay, let me try to write something. Okay, so question it is appearing. Then next, so make some changes with the text. Okay, so now this will be my answer for this text. Okay, fine. Then next for this thing. Okay, the next this thing. All right. Now, in such a way, if you want, you can just make changes with each and every toggle appears here. And if I wants to add anything extra, I can add. If I wants to remove, I can just remove. Okay, let me remove the things here. So only the three questions I have. That's it. What is digital marketing? What is this your future scope of digital marketing? And then icon here. Okay, icon like so only few icons it was showing you. Click this all icons. You can say n number of icons here. So choose this. So normally the icon is will be like this tick mark. So why it was showing me like this here? So can you see? This is the active icon. So now what is digital marketing? This is the active toggle now. Okay, so now what is the icon you wants to show for this active toggle? That is what you just need to choose. By default, this is the active icon. Let me choose something like a, okay, can you see now? Noticed? So this is the icon for active one. So let me see now. This is the active right now. This is the active right now. So now it gets tick mark now. It's get the star one. So this is how. In such a way, you can just choose active icon and the normal icon also, and have some changes with this border width, the width of the border. So notice this is the border width. So this is fine. Then border color, blue, white. I'll go with this. Then space between each and every top. So this is fine. Then title, okay, background color. So the title is this one, right? What is digital marketing? What is SEO? These are titles. Okay. So if you want to change the background, you can just change. Okay. Then color of the text, white, fine. Active color. So active color as of now it's a green, right? If I go with the black, white, black. So black is fine. So normal text of the title is active, then it will show like a black color. Okay. So then choose the icon also, icon alignment. What happened now? What
It went to
happened?
left to right. Oh, sorry, right to left.
Yes. Yes. So then color also you can just choose the color. Black, green, black. I'll go with the black. Then active color will be, green color. Then spacing. Then now it's time to change the content. Now till now we have designed the title. So now design the content also, like this one. This is what the content. Okay. The color of text, white. I'll go with the white. So then background color, green, blue. Okay, so I made some changes with this. Fine. This is how I can add some toggles and all. So finally, let us update this page. Okay, I have updated this page. So let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so go to pages now. So what is the name of my page?
New page.
New price, right? Can you see this is the one? So now click it, edit it, trash it, view, you can do anything. So open with the can you notice the changes whatever we made? The frequently asked questions. What is digital marketing? If I click this, it was showing me some answer and then active icon. So what is a SEO? Future scope of digital marketing. And here we made some changes with the icons and then image and the name as well. So if you want, you can go ahead with the videos. So book a demo for free, link, then book an appointment. So everything I have done. So this is how what I just chose only few widgets like title and then button and images. So if you want in your case you can choose many things like accordion, you can choose videos, you can choose some spacer, you can choose divider, you can choose many options available. Just go through each and every widgets over there and try to apply. Then you apply only you'll get to know what is that particular option is all about. Okay, when you don't work on that widget, then you don't understand what exactly it means. So try to use each and everything in every widget. So if it is suitable for your website, I mean it is suitable for your business, use it. Otherwise delete it. We know how to delete it and we know how to edit the sections. We know how to edit the backgrounds and all everything right now. So now what you have to do is, so you can use your existing pages or else create a one more new page and try to edit with the Elementor. Okay. So now, so tell me your questions.